Think you know your car parts? Let's test your gearhead skills. Let's start easy. These are parts you see every day. It's right in front of your eyes, literally. Correct, that's your car's shining eye. This car loves to spin. Fast. Yes, you turn it, not shift it. You press it every time you go. Zoom zoom, that's the go pedal. Which car brand is American? Ford, proudly made in the USA. It keeps the engine cool and calm. Cool choice, literally. This one helps you see behind you. Good job. Objects may be closer than they appear. Ready for a little challenge? Let's turn up the heat. This part loves hot gases. Correct. That's the car's breathing pipe. This helps stop the whole machine. You got it. Stop in power and lock it. It's small, but makes the engine roar. Boom! That's what lights the fire. Which part is used for charging a battery? Yes, the alternator keeps your battery alive. It connects the engine to the wheels. Smooth shifting. Well done. Where all the power begins. That's the car's electric heart. We are doing great, but now we enter expert territory. This keeps your ride smooth on bumps. You nailed it. Comfort matters. This keeps the engine oil clean and smooth. Nice one. Clean oil, happy engine. It spins, but not for fun. Boost mode activated. Which part is part of the suspension system? Yes, control arms help stabilize your ride. This belt keeps it all connected. Perfect. Timing is everything. Where your pistons live and work. Engine room boss identified. Only the real car nerds make it this far. Good luck. This keeps the engine breathing clean air. Clean air means a happy engine. This part opens the exhaust valves. You're really into engines, huh? It keeps the oil where it belongs. Drip-free victory. Which part is found only in electric cars? Correct. EVs run on big batteries. Controls how much fuel the engine gets. Fuel precision mastered. The electronic brain of the car. You have outmastered the ECU. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us how much did you hit in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.